Welcome to BioNet. I am Sheikh Altaf. Today we'll discuss about the microbiology, one of the important topic chapter related. It is the 11th class and as well as it is important for the long terms medicine NEET examination. So this is bacteria. So bacteria, we can say it is the prokaryotic cells. The cells are of two types: eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. So bacteria undergo the prokaryotic cells because it has no definite nucleus. Incipient nucleus or nucleoid is there, or absence of definite nucleus. That's why it is undergo prokaryotic cells. So first of all, see that Antony von Leeuwenhoek in 1683, he was a Dutch scientist. He observed the small or tiny animal clues in sewage water, and also he observed in the saliva, and also the tooth scam, inside the tooth scams is there, and later he gave the name is called bacteria. So first he discovered, that's why Avi Leeuwenhoek he called as discovery of bacteria. So he first observed inside this saliva, tooth scam, later it gave the name is called bacteria. Next scientist is there, the Ehrenberg in 1829, he gave the term bacteria. Here the two different point is there. Who discovered the bacteria means Avi Leeuwenhoek. Who gave the term means bacteria. Bacteria term was given by Ehrenberg in 1829. Next, Linnaeus placed the bacteria under the genus Vermis. Here you remember this word Vermis. So who means the another scientist Linnaeus. All of you know the Carlos Linnaeus already know. So that Linnaeus placed the bacteria under the genus. Which genus means it belongs to the Venus, means toxic or venom. So Vermis, the genus, he kept under the genus Vermis. Who? Linnaeus. Next, another scientist is called Nageli, Nageli. Nageli classified the bacteria under Schizomycetes. So already all of you know that Ascomycetes are there, fungus are there, like that. Who? Nageli classified the bacteria under Schizomycetes. So they will ask the bit question. Bacteria undergo which type of classification? Means you can undergo, it is Schizomycetes. Next, Louis Pasteur gave the germ theory of disease. Don't be confused, your germ plasm theory is there. But here we are not discussing about the germ plasm theory, that is different. Now we are discussing about the germ theory of disease. Who? That Louis Pasteur. All of you know Louis Pasteur, father of vaccination, and he also that he discovered that vaccine. So Louis Pasteur gave the germ theory of disease. What the meaning of germ theory of disease? Germ theory of disease means the bacteria can infect into the plants and animals. So these bacteria is a microorganism, pathogen or pathological, or it can affect to the plants and animals. That's why he gave the name bacteria undergo germ theory of disease. Next, Robert Koch. So Robert Koch, what he done? First culture the bacteria, means he start to multiply the bacteria under culture media, and he can prove that the bacteria can culture easily in culture media within 20 minutes. It replicate. So the bacteria can replicate 18 minutes. Again it will be ready to divide under binary fission or multiplication after 20 minutes. So they are saying that the culture media in culture first he observed the Robert Koch that we can multiply the bacteria in culture media. Next, John Lister. So Lister. John Lister, he just observed that antiseptic surgery. What the meaning of antiseptic surgery? During the surgery or operation, what happens? They are using some bacteria and drag those chemicals. So carbonic acid dragging from the bacteria, and those bacteria they are using as a antiseptic surgery. Surgery time there should not be infected or infection should not be occurs. So who means John Lister? He observed that some bacteria they are helpful for antiseptic surgery, that is called aseptic condition. So next, study of bacteria is called bacteriology. All of you know that. Sometimes small question they will ask, but you should be confused about that. What is called bacteria? Means study of bacteria is called bacteriology. Like the same. So Avi Leeuwenhoek, we already discussed here that Avi Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist, he observed first time that bacteria. So here again, sir, Avi Leeuwenhoek was father of bacteriology. They will ask the question, who was the father of bacteriology? Means you can give the answer. Avi Leeuwenhoek was father of bacteriology. And here, bacteria undergo the prokaryotic cells. I already said that it undergo the prokaryotic cells. Why means here the organelles, the active organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi complex. These organelles are absent in a prokaryotic cell or bacteria. Especially which organelle means ribosome. Ribosome only it is found in prokaryotic cells, that is in bacteria, and ribosome is a common for both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. So here these are the important organelles: endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, and Golgi complex. These are absent in bacteria. Okay.